Let me know in the comment section how much you spend for your family of 2, 3, 4 for mid-month. Do you go shopping once in a month or as the stay tuned? Let me show you a typical grocery shopping for mid-month for a family of 3. Come with me. So after I took my daughter to school, I quickly branched to ALDI. ALDI has been helping. If you're looking for where to shop your groceries and you don't know where to go, you're just new in town, ALDI is your number one. So I'm going to show you guys my typical mid-month grocery for family of 3. This is number 1, egg. I cannot overemphasize the need of egg in this family. We have a growing kid. Of course, I love egg. You use egg for everything. So this is a 15 free-range British egg. I prefer to go for this than the 12 because this is more economical. Then of course, my choco. I've forgotten the name because I've moved to Pali. I don't like carrying carton up and down, so I got this for my daughter and this. So recently she loves taking this. Before she does not take cereal, but she loves taking this, so I'm introducing this to her too. Let me see if she's going to like it or not. Then we have our 4 season. I cannot miss this. Is always on standby in this family, so I got 2 of it. Although I still have like 2 in the freezer, but I don't like seeing this thing. I don't like seeing it finished in my fridge or in my freezer. So I always, anytime I go to ALDI, I must pick 1 or 2 to add to what I have. So I got 2 of it. Then I got this chopped tomato. It's been helping life. Less than £1. If you don't have tomato and you want to make sauce of jollof rice, you can go with this. It's still like our tin tomato. Although I still got this. So I got this too. And I got more of this. This I'll be able to make. You can make a pot of stew with this. This is like £3. You can make a pot of stew with this. Then I got fabric conditioner. I got milk. This is like £2 something. I forgot to tell you guys the price. I'm going to tell you guys the price. This is 0.99, less than £1. Less than £1. I have the list here. The milk, I got it £1.65. £1.65. Fabric conditioner, I got it £1.39. This choco rice, I got it 0.79 pence. And I got this 79 pence too. I got this one is 65 pence. So I got 3 of them. So 3 of them is £1.95 pence. And I got this tuna in sunflower oil. I got it for 65 pence. So I got 2 of them. Then this is my favorite drumstick, chicken drumstick. I got it for £2.15. £2.15. Then this hand wash, I got this hand wash for where is that hand wash again, safe? I said they did not add it or what? 59 pence. 59p. Got it. Then liquid soap for washing plates. I got it 95p. And then the last but not the least, I got this for where is it again? Here, say washing powder, £3.79. So apart from this and some other things, majority of what I bought less than £1, and I spent a total of £21.20. Apart from chicken and egg, the other items should take us to the end of the month. This is just like a mid-month grocery shopping. It doesn't include rice, beans, and other food items. These are just groceries. And let me know in the comment section how much you spend for your family of 2, 3, 4 for mid-month. Do you go shopping once in a month or as the spirit leads? For me, I go as the spirit leads sometimes. Sometimes I just try to break the shopping into 2 times in a month. That is for groceries. Then for food shopping is just once in a month. I know that these are what I need in a month. However, the things I brought from Nigeria are still very much available. Like, we've spent more than 6 months. I have spent more than 6 months in this country. And some of the things I came with are still very much available. So don't spend much on African food, just groceries and the rest of them. So I've come to the end of my video. Thanks for watching. If you're seeing this beauty face for the first time, it's Peace Diaries. And before you go, please do well to like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you're going to be notified. And please, please, please subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys.